guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic evolution. So guys, this video will be about adaptive coloration. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. So here we have the first question here, and it goes with the diagram here. It says, in explaining the term camouflage to a class, the diagram below show 4 varieties P, Q, R, and S of the same species of fish living among water plants in a river were used. So the question says, which of the varieties is likely to decrease most in number if a predatory fish is introduced into the river? We have A, P, B, S, C, R, and D, Q. So guys, the fish here that is most likely to reduce is the option C, which is R. So this fish here does not have enough of these markings on the body, so it may not be able to camouflage well with the environment, and as such it will be the major fish that will suffer predatory attacks. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 2 here. It says, which of the following features is used by chameleons to escape predation? We have A, offensive smell, B, coiling tail, C, adaptive coloration, D, fearsome appearance. So guys, the answer to this question is adaptive coloration, and that's option C here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 3 here. It says, which of the following examples best describe camouflagic coloration in organisms? We have A, butterfly which has a real coloration on the wing. B, certain tree frog with bright color patterns. C, a green snake in a green grass. So guys, no need of checking other options here. Option C is the correct answer to this question. A green snake in a green grass is the best example that describes camouflagic coloration, and that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 4 here. This is the same diagram we've seen earlier on, and we have the same instruction here. So I'm going to go ahead and read out the question, which says, the variety selected in the above question will outlive the others because the A, variety is the most beautiful. B, variety does not have markings. C, predator does not like eating the variety. D, markings on the variety are similar to those of the environment. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. The markings on the variety that will most likely survive more in this environment without being attacked much by the predator is the one with the most markings, and the markings that are similar to that of the environment. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and answer the next question, guys. That's question number 5 here. It says, which of the varieties is most likely to outlive the others? So guys, the variety that will most likely outlive others here is the variety Q, which has the same markings as that of the plants in the environment. So that's option D here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. Question number 6, which says, which of the following behavioral patterns describe adaptive coloration? We have estivation, aggregation, hibernation, countershading. So guys, the only option here that describes adaptive coloration is countershading, and that's option D here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 7 here. It says, which of the following organisms does not show color adaptation to its environment? We have A, chameleon, B, fish, C, toad, D, earthworm. So guys, the answer to this question is option D, and that's the earthworm. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. Question number 8 here. It says, the yellow and black stripes on the body of wasps is an example of A, warning coloration, B, camouflage, C, courtship behavior, D, mimicry. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's warning coloration. So let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. That's question number 9 here. It says, Which of the following organisms exhibits adaptive coloration? We have A. Chameleon, B. Rabbit, C. Dog, D. Mouse. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, obviously, and that's chameleon. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 10 and the last. It says, the brightly colored petals in some plants is an adaptive coloration for A. Pollination, B. Dispersal, C. Shedding, D. Feeding. So guys, option A is the answer to this question. Brightly colored petals in some plants help to attract insects to pollinate them. So option A, which is pollination, is the answer to this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question in the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, we also want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.